Welcome aboard your tractor.
Hey, how's it going?
Your name's Chris, correct?
Yep, Chris from Kibble.
Yes. So we're gonna work with, what is the software's name?
It's called T3RRA Ditch.
Okay. New, correct?
It's been out for a few years.
Okay.
With Kibble equipment, we're new to it. It's a product that's allied with John Deere to tie into the controllers. If you want to spend time in the off season and plan your ditches,
okay.
What we're going to do today is survey the drains as we do them.
Yep.
But it's got a really cool integration with Op Center, where if you've made any pass in the past with your combine, your planter, it records that elevation data while you're doing that.
Yep.
And if it's a good elevation data, preferably RTK, we can use that to plan in the off season. So when it's time to go, you're just ditching. You're not spending time surveying.
Sweet. Well, let's go make some dirt fly.
Yeah.
So basically, this is Deere setup as like what we have on our tile plow, just integrated into Deere rather than having all this other expensive stuff. If you're already Deere RTK, this is the setup you would buy. We weren't Deere RTK, still aren't RTK, so that's why we've got the setup that we've got. But it is fun seeing another software and getting to operate it. It's quite mesmerizing watching the dirt fly. So I haven't been filming today because we had 4 or 5 Kibble guys out. So they came down and helped get this all set up yesterday, so a huge shout out to them. So it seems like it works best at that 1 to 1.5 miles per hour. That's what I'm doing right now. PTO speed, 1000 PTO. Got this working just the way it should. We're cutting a ditch, really not taking too much, more or less just making an indent. And look at that thing through it. It's insane. And it's appearing like I put smaller paddles on. We discussed it. I think it would be better allowing more clearance through the auger since we are in frost conditions. Like most of the ripping chunks are frozen. So all them black dirt chunks are frozen rock solid. So when that auger was turning, it wasn't allowing enough clearance. So we put smaller paddles on. It's feeding a lot better. It actually, I'm up a half a mile an hour faster by doing that. So it's working out a lot better. But that is just insane how far that thing throws it. It's crazy. That's what it sounds like. Frozen dirt chunks, kind of like rocks. You must be built tough because she's taking a beat. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informational. This thing is a prairie ditcher, making drainage ditches so water don't sit on the fields any time through the year, besides winter time obviously, but right away in the spring, water will be able to leave the fields and we'll be able to get into the fields to plant them sooner, is the theory. So that's what we're doing here. I appreciate you guys tuning in. See you guys next time.